Hello guys, welcome to my channel, and today in this video I'm going to show you 3 ways on how to boost your PC's performance if your PC is lagging a lot nowadays. It's super easy. Please follow the steps that I'm showing you in this video. Actually, you don't have to install any kind of third-party apps. It's already installed in your PC. You just have to follow the steps that I'm showing you. So go to your search bar, click on run, type in run, click on it, and write temp. What does temp stand for? Temp means temporary. It means when you click on OK, it will show you all the unnecessary temporary files present in your PC. As you can see, there's so many temporary files that we don't need. So select all of it, shift delete, which will lead us to permanently delete these items. Click on yes. If there are any items that you can't delete, then click on skip. Okay, now type in run again. We will do it 3 times. It's not 3 methods. We will use run 3 times. Now use temp percentage, click on OK. You will see there are more files. There are more files that you have to delete. So it's the same method, drag, shift delete. If there are any files that you can't delete, click on skip. Now for the last one, click on run again. Now type in prefetch. As you can see, prefetch. Select all of them. Shift delete. Yeah, we are done with one of the methods. The second method is you can go to your settings. You can type in add or remove programs. Now it will show you all the apps that are currently installed in your PC. You can select any one of them. Let's say I don't need this one, so I will just click here and click on uninstall. It will show you this type of screen where you have to delete it. This way you can delete all the unnecessary apps that are installed in your PC, because there are many apps that might make your PC slower. Now the last method is you can go to the search bar. You can click on hard disk or disk cleanup. You can type in disk cleanup. It will show you an option like this one. If you have more than one hard disk on your PC, it will show you a bar where you have to choose one of them. It will either look like select C drive or D drive or E drive. So I have only one hard disk on my PC, so it is automatically showing me C drive. So we will select all of these files. So we can see there are about 685 megabytes unnecessary files stored in my C drive. There are more if you click on clean up system files, but I'm not gonna do that. But if you want, you can clean up system files. The reason I'm not going to do it because there are some files that might be crucial for your computer. It might get deleted accidentally, so I'm not gonna use that. So click on OK, delete files. It is cleaning up our C drive, because C drive is the most crucial part of the PC. It is the main storage. Now after you restart your PC, you will see a drastic difference of your PC, you will see that your PC's performance is much more higher than ever. I hope this tutorial has helped you in boosting your PC's performance, and thank you for watching.